Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and not gigantic volume, but definitely above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 305. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 305, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support, in the event that level cannot hold, would be the previous breakout point right down there around the $3 mark. So 305 and then 3 going to be the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 305 would be great. However, grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now as far as where the sellers are hanging out at, and that seems to be right up there around $3.15, give or take. A price, that's essentially where it got rejected on the day. I realized, yeah, the price did technically go a little bit up higher through there, but there was a couple instances where the price didn't quite hit that high. So I'm just splitting the difference there and kind of trying to find a middle ground and calling it 315. All in all, though, any way you slice it, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.